Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share my very first scarf purchase from Louis Vuitton. So, I have here the box. I got this one today. The box is actually huge. It's gigantic. So, I have been looking for this scarf last Christmas, and it has been in my wish list for quite some time, and I wanted this one for my Christmas present. For some reason, it has been sold out. This has been sold out so quickly, and I have been contemplating when this one came out available online. I have been contemplating whether I wanted to get it because we're actually heading towards summer, and I don't know if I'll be able to use this one, and apparently I'm probably gonna have to wait in the winter season so that I could use this beautiful scarf. So I have here the monogram stripe pattern from Louis Vuitton. It's so beautiful. Look at that. The red is one of my favorite color, and it's so beautiful. So this one, at the back, it's actually, let me see this one. Let me look at the text. So this one is made in Italy, and 100% wool. So if you're interested, this is the tag. This is the product code. Not sure if that picks up. And this one is heavy though. This one is really heavy. Let me try it on and see how it looks. Let's see. See, that's how it looks. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I so love the red. The red is stunning. Look at that. But I wish it could have been like all the monogram prints, all the monogram patterns should have been covered the entire scarf. But this one is like the pattern here is a stripe pattern, and this side is only the monogram, and on the other side of it, the other side is not reversible. So, but maybe you could wear it like this too if you want it. Yeah, you can wear it like that, but the monogram itself is upside down. I love the red so much. And this is the signature pattern from Louis Vuitton. Yeah, this actually is warm. Wow, this is so pretty. You could wear it like this, or you could wear it, of course, the beautiful pattern, the monogram pattern in red. So you could wear it like that, just like that when it's cold. Yeah. This is so funny. This is so funny. I didn't even know how to put it together. Maybe I'll just put it on your neck like that. It's already Yeah, just emphasize a little bit the monogram print. Okay, let me put it on the other side this way where the print is at. So yeah, it's gorgeous. Oh my goodness, the red is so stunning. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, it's just red is really one of my favorite color. It's really eye-catching to me. Look at that. So luxurious feel. Is it worth it? Absolutely. This is beautiful. Look at that. Would I recommend it? Yes. Absolutely, yes. So this one is rated for $500. I think I paid $500 for this. And yeah, it's worth it. I think so. I mean, the pattern, the material, it's beautiful. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.